I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. I'm gonna show it now. Okay, this is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in this gallery link on this link and your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. Yeah, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here in this link. And about the company on this link. There. Okay, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply, let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Tier. Talk to you soon.